So what's up guys, Shades of Tech here and welcome to a new unboxing. Today we have this beautiful Apple Pencil 2nd generation and I really can't wait to unbox it. So let's do it, shall we? So as I said, this is the Apple Pencil 2nd generation and it can pair perfectly with my new iPad Pro 2018 model in 12.9 inch size. So without further ado, let's see the box. So very small box, it's a little bit taller than the pencil itself, and here is advertised the magnetic feedback and the fast charging of the new iPad, and the box is very minimal, so let's open it. There is an opposite peel. Oh, okay, very nice paper feel to the touch, and there is another peel here, just have to slide it. Perfect. Designed by Apple California. Usual Apple papers. It shows you how to change the part of the pen, how to double tap to change the modes, and how to charge it. Is very basic, so there is not much to say. But I usually love the Apple experience unboxing, so I want to share with you guys. By the way, if you have an iPad or an Apple Pencil, leave a very big like. And this is the Apple Pencil itself. I want to give you a closer look. And there is not much, it's just the pencil itself. I love the case, you can use it to travel, to put just the pen in there if you want. And it's very lightweight, it's a little bit heavier than a regular pen. So let's open it. Whoa. I really love it to the feel. It's plastic, but it's premium plastic. And this is the pen itself. And this is a little Easter egg for you guys. Don't know if you can see it. Made a custom writing, and by the way, let's subscribe to Shades of Tech. And I really love the custom incision and then Apple Pencil. Okay, so the unboxing experience was nice. And I really love the Apple Pencil itself. Now it's time to pair it with our iPad Pro. As I was mentioning, this is the 2018 Pro model in 12.9 inch size. And I unbox it. If you want to see the unboxing, I leave the link in the corner. This is also a very nice cover, and you can place the Apple Pencil here. Someone like Zonotech made some very serious feedback, because in the space gray model, especially if you use it the magnetic attachment too many times, it risks to lose the color. So if you have a pocket like this, we just take the pencil. Okay, Apple Pencil 68% battery life. So welcome to Apple Pencil. Use apps in a whole new way. Create an instant note. Okay, so you can choose all the Apple Pencil brushes, and that's basically it. So, okay, very responsive. Basically, there is no lagging or so on. This iPad is running iOS 13, so in the beta there is a new improved without very low lagging and latency Apple Pencil feature. So anyway guys, I think that's all for today's video. If you like this video, give a very big like or a dislike if you didn't like it. And as always, subscribe to Shades of Tech for more videos like this. and be sure to turn on notification. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!